The Tourism Ministry is this evening seeking to make clear a release from the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority about an air service between Dubai and Jamaica. The release sparked uproar from the parliamentary opposition, which accused the ministry of misleading the public. Amoy Harriet has details.
This was the release made by the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority on Wednesday. Applicant, Emirates. Purpose for which service is intended to operate scheduled air service between the United Arab Emirates and Jamaica via Germany. This operation will be conducted pursuant to a code share agreement with Condor, which is a Germany airline. The flights between Frankfurt, which is in Germany, and Montego Bay will be operated by Condor. Now, a code share flight is where one carrier markets and the other operates. So it allows for carriers to sell seats on each other's flights as part of an effort to offer customers an opportunity to choose from a large variety of destinations. So in this case, Emirates is marketing and Condor is operating. Following the release by the Civil Aviation Authority, opposition spokesperson on tourism and linkages Janice Allen blasted Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett as she said the announcement was inaccurate and misleading.
The minister claimed that Emirates will begin flights to Jamaica. But let me be clear, this is simply not true. What actually happened is that Condor, a German airline, announced a new route to Jamaica. Now, Condor, no stranger to Jamaica, does have a strategic alliance with Emirates, but that does not mean Emirates is flying here.
In a staunch defense, State Minister in the Tourism Ministry, Senator Delano Seabright, said the ministry stands by the release as the facts are clear.
Respectfully, Miss Allen is misleading herself. Emirates is the applicant and the Montego Bay leg will be operated by Condor under a code share agreement, which is very much standard across the international aviation space. That was stated clearly in every official government release, in every comment, verbal and written. So let me be absolutely clear. We never said Emirates was flying nonstop to Jamaica. What we said and what is on record is that Emirates is part of the airlift strategy to grow our global connectivity. And that's exactly what's happening.
The scheduled air service between Dubai and Montego Bay will start on April 10, 2025 until December 26 of next year. As for whether or not Emirates will eventually fly non-stop to Jamaica,
we have been talking to Emirates for quite some time now, and it is our hope that in the near future, maybe within 2 or 3 years, Emirates will eventually move to operating non-stop services between Montego Bay, Jamaica, and Dubai in the United Arab Emirates.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.